Meanwhile, the South Korean economy remains on its recovery path amid a rebound in domestic consumption. This is according to the latest assessment by analysts at the KDI. Our correspondent Kim Do-yeon has more.
South Korea's state-run think tank, the Korea Development Institute, has reaffirmed that the economy is on a recovery path, driven largely by a rebound in domestic consumption and the service sector. In its February economic trends report released Monday, the KDI also stated that a moderate increase in production is being maintained. This assessment aligns with the Institute's shift in tone last November when it moved away from diagnosing the economy as sluggish or weak, terms used frequently between May and October of last year, to focusing on improvement. The data backs this optimism. Retail sales in December climbed 1.2% compared to the same period the previous year, continuing an upward trend for the fourth consecutive month. A significant 12.6% jump in passenger vehicle sales helped drive these figures. This also has to do with the recent historic rise in the Kospi, some analysts say, as the sentiment also goes up.
When the stock market performs well and prices rise, we typically see a wealth effect. As the value of assets held by stock owners increases, we view this as a key factor that stimulates consumption.
Mirroring this consumption, service sector production rose 3.7%, marking 11 straight months of growth. The gains were broad-based with significant increases in wholesale and retail trade, as well as the professional, scientific, and technical sectors. Thanks to this service-led momentum, overall industrial production grew 1.8% in December. However, the recovery is not uniform. The manufacturing sector remains a weak link, contracting by 0.3%. The KDI noted that despite strong demand, semiconductor production was limited by supply constraints, while the auto sector faced headwinds from U.S. tariffs. More concerning is the continued slump in investment. Facility investment plummeted 10.3% in December, the sharpest decline since August 2023. The construction sector also remains in a prolonged downturn, with completed construction projects dropping by nearly 15% in the fourth quarter. Ultimately, while sluggish investment and construction weigh on the outlook, the KDI maintains that improving income conditions from the semiconductor cycle and strong consumer sentiment are supporting the broader economic recovery. Kim Do-yeon, 아리랑뉴스.